Hi, and welcome to Painting Like Monet. This is a quick technique and it's really fun. You'll enjoy it. So, my name is Doris Charest, and we're going to do this exercise together. While you're painting, you'll also learn a little bit about Monet and the whole impressionistic movement. You'll learn his technique, you'll learn the skills, and it's really, really easy. You'll enjoy this. Oscar-Claude Monet. He was one of the greats, and his technique is unique. He's one of the first artists to ever go outside and paint what you really see. And that's one of the wonderful things about Monet. For this course, we'll work from a photo. We won't actually travel all the way to France and Giverny to work in his garden. But painting from a photograph will work really well. And in just a few evenings, you'll have a magnificent painting. You'll start with the drawing, and then the underpainting, and then the full painting itself. This is a view of the underpainting with one layer. We have a bonus. We'll take a walk through Monet's garden, and then we'll continue painting. And you'll learn tips and tricks of how to paint in the impressionistic style. It's wonderful. You'll really enjoy it. This is a version of the final painting. I'm just going to hold it still so you can have a good look. You can see how we've painted just little dabs all over the place with multiple colors. Our main colors are green, yellow, pink, purple, and little bits of blue. We also have little bits of white and mixtures of all those colors. It's wonderful. You'll really enjoy painting this painting. And it's easy, step by step. So join me in painting like Monet. See you soon.